Yes, thank you for the job. Wake me up another morning. Put on some clothes and touch the road. Now I'm going on the street today. You see this now here? Like this. You know what? Let me check my Facebook real quick. Zabz TV. Me mama.
Where you want?
Where I going?
The fat smurf. Yo, me say me want sing me long smurf in our fat smurf nanny.
I pay a funny video that you have.
Franklin! Yeah, come be with me rent, you know.
Most of me wake up. Yo, me on the rent for her today, you know. I feel left out here. No, she see me, you know.
Boy, bring me rent. You think me I play with you?
Miss Beverly soon get a rent, man. Bamba clad. Me say the woman love her money.
Wait till he come back in ya. Better pay me my rascal rent.
You know me I borrow her car though. Borrow her car. Clash if I kill her car again. Drive out the whole of the gas out of this. Park up right there, sir. Bumbo clot, you should call police for me.
Boy, come out of here. Come out of here, boy. Where do you have a car, eh?
Officer, no, officer. It's my landlord. Me not steal the car.
You know, see, I'm here for babe. Last night I beat this me here. In our world. Come out of here, boy. And go on home.
Sorry, officer. Sorry. Me not borrow a car again. Me ride my bicycle. Boy, Miss Bev not easy, you know. Peer policeman, you fucking know. Ride from out there.
I kill me one and kill you, cause you know pay me my rent.
Police are still there. Yo.
Shut him, kill him.
Miss Bev, yo, tell the policeman them stop fucking me now. Bumbo clot. Yo, me have to go buy some blood clot weed. Blood clot. Oh, what's my mouth? It's a clot. Peer fuckery one, Miss Bev, go on with you now. Don't know. Wait there, who this a call me? Hello?
Yo, my youth, we are thief myself. You think the area talk about we?
Who are you? Hey boy Batman, come on from a smurfing phone, you know. Before me have to send my hot skull friend over there come bust your skull. Anybody can use we. I want to hear we blood clot.
Boy, go suck your mother. Wait till me catch you. You gotta beat out your blood
Fuck
clot.
off, pussy. Call my hot skull friend Trevor and tell him say boy Batman, listen up.